Oh my God, viewers. Just look at these videos. They are incredibly engaging, cinematic, and dramatic. I created these videos using the latest Higgsfield extension inside Adobe Premiere Pro, and recently, Higgsfield has launched some powerful new AI tools that are completely changing the way creators make content. First, let me take you to YouTube. Here I want to show you a channel called Mundo Extinto. This channel has thousands of subscribers and hundreds of uploaded videos.
This channel is 100% monetized and per month earn $2.3K. It's mean, amazing, and good earning.
If you check the popular videos section, you will notice that many videos have gained hundreds of thousands and even millions of views. The channel mainly focuses on dinosaur-style content, monster creatures, cinematic storytelling, and dramatic visual effects. Every video follows a highly engaging format that keeps viewers watching until the end. As you scroll through the uploads, you can clearly see how powerful visuals, intense scenes, and emotional storytelling are combined to create viral content. Today, I will teach you how to create similar dramatic videos using AI. Now let's move to the main platform that makes all of this possible, and that platform is Higgsfield. Personally, Higgsfield is one of my favorite AI platforms because they constantly release new and innovative tools for creators. Whether it is image generation, video creation, AI effects, motion tools, or advanced editing features, Higgsfield continues to push the limits of AI creativity. If we open the image section, you can see multiple AI image tools that have already been launched. Similarly, in the video section, there are many advanced AI video generation and editing tools available for creators. Higgsfield has also introduced powerful AI models. Today, our main focus is the newly launched Higgsfield plugins for Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. Let me open the plugin page. As you can see, Higgsfield is now directly integrated inside Adobe applications. This means you can access powerful AI tools without leaving Premiere Pro or After Effects. You can generate images, generate videos, remove backgrounds, reframe footage, upscale quality, use draw to edit tools, and perform professional AI-powered editing directly inside Adobe. Higgsfield has demonstrated several examples where creators can instantly transform videos, replace backgrounds, improve quality, and create cinematic effects using AI-powered workflows. The best part is that everything works directly inside your editing software. Now let's talk about installation. If you are a Mac user, simply download the DMG file, run the installer, and follow the setup process. If you are using Windows, download the X installer, complete the installation, and run the setup. After installation, Higgsfield automatically connects with Adobe Premiere Pro and Adobe After Effects. I have already downloaded the required installer and completed the setup process. As you can see, Higgsfield has been successfully installed on my system. Now I will open Adobe Premiere Pro and create a new project named Higgsfield. Once Premiere Pro opens, go to the top menu, click on Window, and then open Extensions. Inside the Extensions section, you will find the Higgsfield extension. Simply click on it. After clicking, a login screen will appear asking you to continue with your browser. Click Continue with Browser and allow the requested permissions. Within a few seconds, your account will be connected. And boom! As you can see, Higgsfield is now successfully logged in and fully integrated inside Adobe Premiere Pro. From here, you can access all of Higgsfield's powerful AI tools directly within your editing workspace. You can generate cinematic videos, create stunning AI visuals, remove backgrounds, upscale footage, reframe content for social media, and use advanced AI-powered editing features without switching between different platforms. Now, what I'm going to do is head directly to the video generation section. I have already prepared several dramatic prompts in advance. I'll place all of those prompts in the video description so you can simply copy and paste them for your own projects. For this demonstration, I'll copy my first prompt and paste it into the generation box. Then, I'll select a duration of 6 seconds and configure the required settings. Once everything is ready, I'll simply click on the Generate button. As you can see, Higgsfield has now started generating my first video. One of the most amazing things about this workflow is that once the video is generated, I can instantly bring it into Adobe Premiere Pro and start editing without switching between multiple platforms. Now, we just need a little patience while the AI processes the request. And boom! Oh my God, viewers! My first video is now ready. Just look at this result. The scene looks incredibly dramatic, cinematic, and even has a horror-style atmosphere. The visual quality is absolutely impressive. Now I'll simply drag the generated video directly into Adobe Premiere Pro. Watch this. I just click, drag, and drop the file onto my timeline, and within seconds, it's ready to use. This seamless integration between Higgsfield and Adobe Premiere Pro is absolutely amazing. My first scene is now successfully added to the timeline and ready for editing. Next, I'll copy my second prompt and paste it into the generation panel. Once again, I'll click the Generate button. As you can see, the second scene has now started generating. Just give it a little time and let the AI do its work. And boom, my second video is now ready as well. I'll simply drag and drop it directly into Adobe Premiere Pro, placing it right after the first scene on the timeline. Now let's move on to the third prompt. I'll copy it, paste it into the generation box, and click Generate once again. The third video is now being processed. We just need a little patience while Higgsfield generates the scene. And boom, the third video is now complete. This one is an 8-second dramatic cinematic scene with excellent visual quality. I'll drag and drop this clip into Adobe Premiere Pro and place it right after the previous scenes. And there we have it. This is the final result. I have generated 3 different cinematic AI videos directly inside Higgsfield and imported all 3 scenes into Adobe Premiere Pro within minutes. The best part is how smooth and efficient the entire workflow is. Every scene looks dramatic, engaging, and professionally produced. As you can see, all 3 videos are now successfully arranged on the Premiere Pro timeline. Each clip was generated using Higgsfield and then instantly added to Adobe Premiere Pro for editing. This integration saves a tremendous amount of time and makes the content creation process much faster, easier, and more professional. And honestly, the final results look absolutely fantastic. All 3 scenes are ready, the timeline is prepared, and now we can move on to the next stage of editing and complete our cinematic AI video project. Alright viewers, before ending this tutorial, let me quickly show you some other powerful tools available inside Higgsfield. First, we have Draw to Video, which allows you to turn simple sketches or ideas into fully animated AI videos. Next, the Edit Video section gives you access to multiple AI-powered editing features directly inside Adobe Premiere Pro. You can easily reframe videos for different social media platforms with just a few clicks. The Remove Background feature lets you automatically remove backgrounds from videos instantly. With the Upscale tool, you can enhance video quality and convert footage into stunning 4K resolution. These tools make video editing faster, easier, and much more professional. As you can see, Higgsfield brings powerful AI capabilities directly into your editing workflow. I hope you enjoyed today's tutorial and learned something valuable. Don't forget to subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next video.